This right here is our trick buzz worm. It's a 7 1/4 inch worm. Many people like to drop shot these types of worms. You could always cut it down, you know, a little piece off of here if you wanted to shorten it. Me, I personally like the 7 1/4 inch. This is what I'm going to use for drop shot. Works out great, and I've caught many bass. Roll that over. See the flat side over there. A little piece of plastic goes on there. Right there. All right. Check us out online, gethooked magicbaits.com for all of your fishing supplies.